7 easy ways to secure or hide files on your Mac. Worried about prying eyes accessing your files? With macOS, you can ensure your privacy in smart, simple ways. Stick around because I'm sharing 7 tips to safeguard or hide files on your Mac effortlessly. No advanced tech skills required. For such informative videos about tech and soft tips, subscribe my YouTube channel ITFO. The easiest trick? Rename your folders or stash them in less obvious locations. Security through obscurity isn't perfect, but works when you need quick, casual privacy. Want something more secure? Open Terminal and type teach flags hidden. This command hides folders like a pro. Remember to note the path. You'll need it to bring hidden files back. Here's your hack for invisibility. Add a dot at the beginning of a file name. macOS hides such files automatically. Simple but effective. Level up your security with Disk Utility. Create encrypted disk images for sensitive data. This adds robust protection shielded by strong encryption. Right-click any file, select Get Info, and lock it. Locked files become uneditable, an underrated tool for accident-proofing your sensitive documents. Sharing your Mac? Set folder permissions under File Sharing to allow or restrict access. It's perfect for multiple user setups to protect personal files. Divide and conquer. Keep work, personal, or sensitive activities separate by creating new user accounts. It's organized and totally private. Your privacy matters. Start protecting your files today. Try one tip or mix and match all 7 for maximum security. Remember, your first layer of defense is knowledge, so hit like, follow, or subscribe for more Mac hacks you'll love.